So we also urging the content creators, influencers, the upcoming ones, everybody in general, to register their business name so that they can access these grants, this financial support. It's for them, you understand. And also there are some small businesses that can actually get such grants, you understand, if they are uniquely registered, because it's your name that gives the credibility of your business, you understand, integrity, so that we know who we are dealing with in Nigeria, you understand. So yes, there are grants for small businesses and also grants for the creative industry, especially for the movie industry and the content creating industry. They are all in one. As you all know, the movie industry, I think, got about 6.something billion as grants. The Mofeda Major and some other movie industries and filmmakers, you know. So these grants are available for other creative people in the creative industry. So that's what I'm trying to explain to you. Yes, please.
Okay,